Hello guys, welcome to our channel Valuation. So in this video we are going to cover the book SSC that is written by Rakesh Yadav sir. So what we are going to cover, we will cover each every questions of this book, and this will be very helpful for the students who are preparing for the SSC examinations or any other competitive exams like bank, teaching. So if they are looking for the maths questions, sometimes students are not getting the questions of maths, so they are looking for the questions, good questions. So it's really good book, and so that's why I'm just solving this book one by one questions. So let's start. What chapters we are going to discuss, let's first see that. So first we will discuss the chapter percentage. After that we will discuss profit and loss, and then we will discuss discount, simple interest, compound interest, mixture and allegation, ratio and proportion. And then we will discuss time and work, pipe and cistern, time, distance and train, boat and stream, number system, power surge indices, simplification, algebra, geometry and coordinate, average, LCM and HCF, partnership, trigonometry, height and distance, mensuration, statistics and pattern repetition. So all these chapters we will discuss one by one. Every questions we will discuss in details. Okay, so let's start. So this is the chapter percentage, first chapter, and this is first question. So let's start. So first question is, if 80% of A is equals to 50% of B, so how we can write 80%? We can write 80% as 80 over 100. 80% of A is equals to, let me write here, okay, 80% or 80% of A is equals to 50% of B. What we are asking for in this question, we are asking B is equals to X percent of A, then the value of X is, we have to find the value of X. B is equals to X percent of A, so we have to find the value of X. So from here we can find the value of B first. So we will get this 100 will cancel out, this 0 will cancel out, and from here we will get 8 divided by 5, A is equals to B. This we are getting from this equation. So put this value of B in place of this. So we will get 8 divided by 5, A is equals to X divided by 100A. So here, from here, 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 100, 5 times 20 is 100. So A will cancel out, and from here we will get 8 times 20 is equals to X, that is equals to X is equals to 160. So the value of X is 160. Okay, let's move to the next question. In this question it says, if X is equals to 80% of Y, X is equals to 80% of Y, then what percent of X is A, is of Y? So we don't know the percent, so let us suppose A percent. So we are supposing A percent of X is equals to Y. So we have to find the value of A. So from here we know X is equals to 80, Y divided by 100. So put this value in place of X. 80 divided by 100, Y is equals to Y. So from Y will cancel out, and here we will get A is equals to divided by 80. This 0 will cancel out. While we are solving, we will get 1, 2, 5. So the correct answer is 125%. Okay, so we can solve one, like divided by 2. If we will divide by 2, we will get 4. Here we will get 5, 0, 0, and again we will get, if we will divide by 4, we will get 1, 1, 2, and then 5. Okay, 125 is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. So the next question is, if 8% of x, 8% of x is the same as 4% of y, then 20% of x is equals to what? We have to find this. Okay, so let's solve it. This 100 will cancel out. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So from here we will get 2x is equals to y, x is equals to y divided by 12. So what we have to do, we have to multiply this 20 by 100 both the side in this equation 1. So we will get 20 times 100 y by 2. So here we will get 10. So it is this 10 over 10, 10 over 100 is 10%. So we can directly write 10% of y, or here we can write like 20% of x is equals to 10% of y. So the option A is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. Now in this question it says if 120 is 20% of a number, 20% of a number, we don't know the number, so let us suppose x. So find the value of x. This 0 will cancel out. Here 1, it will get 5. So here we will get 5. 600 is equals to x. So the value of x is 600. What we have to find? We have to find 120% of that number. So we have to find the 120% of 600. So 120% of 600 will be 720. So the correct answer is 720. So let's move to the next question. In the next question it says if x is less than y, while y by 25%, it says x is less than y by 25%. So if it is less than by y by 25%, then it must be 75%. Then y exceeds x by. So we have to find then y exceeds x by. So we have to put this x below because we are finding in respect to x, and here we have to put the difference of x, y minus x, and times 100 because we have to find the percentage. So the difference will be y minus x will be in place of x we can write 75. Solve it. Here we will get 25 y, here we will get 75 y times 100. Y will cancel out. So here we will get 100 divided by 3. So this is the answer. So first option 1 is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. If p% of p is 36, then p is equals to, we have to simply find the value of p. So p square is equals to 36, 100 will come here. So p is equals to under root of this. So we will get 60. So the correct answer is 60. The under root of 3600 will be 60. 2 is what percent of y? 50. 2 is what percent of 50? So answer is 4%. Let's move to the next question. 2 divided by 3 is what percent of 1 divided by 3? So we can write like this: 2 divided by 3 of what percent of 1 over 3 times 100. So here we will get this 3 will cancel out and answer will be 200%. So option D is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. If 10% of m is 10% of m is same as 20% of n, then find the ratio of m is to n. This we have to find. So we can directly solve from here. We will get m is equals to 2n, or we will get m divided by n is equals to 2 divided by 1. So the ratio will be 2:1. Option is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. The ratio 5:4 expressed as a percent. We have to find this as a percent. So directly multiply this by 100. So the answer will be 125%. Option is the correct answer. Move to the next question. 0.15% of, we can directly write this by 100 divided by 3% of we have to find the value of this. So if we will remove the decimal, 100 will come here. So this 100 will cancel out, this 20 will cancel out, and here we will get 5. So the answer will be 500. One more 100 will come here because it is in percentage. So if when we will remove this percentage, we will get one more 100 here. Okay. So divide it by 100. So we will get 5. So the answer is 5. Okay. Simply what we have done, we have to simply multiply all these. And we have to remove this decimal percentage also. While we are removing this percentage, 100 will come below. Okay. Let's move to the next question. 30% of x is equals to 72. Then the value of x is, we have to simply find the value of x. So the answer is 240. Move to the next question. So if 15% of a plus b is equals to is equals to 25% of a minus b. So then what percent of b is equal to a? So let us suppose x percent of b is equals to a. We have to find the value of x. So from here we can solve it. So here we will get 3a plus 3b is equals to 5a minus 5b, and then we will get here 8b is equals to 2a, or we will get 4b is equals to a. Okay. So let put this value here in place of this. We will get x divided by 100 is equals to 4b, and here it is b will cancel out. So we will get x is equals to 400%. So the option D is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. What is 20% of 25% of 300? 20% of 25% of 300. Solve it. 5 times 3 is 50. So the correct answer is option D. Move to the next question. If x percent of 25 divided by 2 is 150, then find the value of x. So let's solve it. X is equals to 150 times 2. So from here we will get divided by 5. Put 8 So the answer is B. Option B is the correct answer, 1200. Move to the next question. 50% of x minus y is equals to 30% of x plus y. Then what percent of x, what percent, let's us suppose a percent of x is equals to y. So we have to find the value of a. So let us solve it. So 5x minus 5y is equals to 3x plus 3y. So from here we will get 2x is equals to 8y. So x is equals to 4y. So put this value in place of, put the value of x in place of x. So we will get here is equals to y. This y will cancel out. So a is equals to 100 divided by 4. So we will get 25%. Yeah, 25%. Option A is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. If 50% of P is equals to 25% of Q, then P is equals to x% of Q. Okay, so we have to find the value of x. So let us solve it. 2p is equals to q. So put the value of p in, put the value of q in place of q. So we will get here p is equals to x% is 2p. So this p will cancel out. So from here we will get x is equals to 100 divided by 2, that is 50. So the answer is C. Option C is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. If 20% of A is equals to 50% of B, then what percent? Again we will suppose x. We will suppose x. X% of A is equals to B. We have to find the value of x. So let's solve it. So 2A is equals to 5B, or B is equals to 2 divided by 5A. Put this value in place of this. So from here we will get x divided by 100. A is equals to 2 divided by 5A. We are putting the value of B from here. Okay. So from here we will get x is equals to, A will cancel out. X is equals to 200. This 100 will multiply with the 2 divided by 5. So we will get 40. So the answer is B. Option B is the correct answer, 40%. Move to the next question. %, of which number, we are supposing x is equals to 12% of 75. So this 100 will cancel out. So x is equals to 12 times 75 divided by 18. Okay, divided by 2. Again divided by 3. Here we will get 2, and here 5. So the answer is 50. So option A is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. So here it says, if the income of Ram is 12.5% more than that of a Sham. So we have to convert this 12.5% into a fraction. So it is in percent. So when we will remove the percentage sign, we have to multiply by 100. So 25 by 200 is equals to 5. So it will be 1 by 8. So this is 1 by 8. So that means if the income of Ram is 1 by 8 more than the Sham, 1 by 8 more than the Sham, that means if the income of Sham is 8 unit, if the income of Sham is 8 unit, then the income of Ram will be 1 unit is more than Sham, 1 unit is more than Sham, so it will be 9. And then we have to find the income of Sham is less than that of Ram by, we have to find. So we have to put the value of Ram below 9, and here we have to find the difference, 9 minus 8 times 100. So here we will get 100 divided by 9, so it will be 1119%. So the option is the correct answer. So here we have done 20 questions today. In the next class we will do again 20 questions. Okay, so again after this we will get the 20 we will complete the 20 questions. I hope you like these videos, and let's see you in the next class. I hope you will like this video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.